Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set, and in today's video we will study frozen set. All the property of set and frozen set are similar, just one: set are mutable, frozen set are immutable. Let's start. If you want to create a frozen set, you have to write the object name in which the set will be stored. F1 is equal to, you have to call frozen set function frozen set, and in opening and closing parenthesis you have to pass a iterable. In this case I am passing a range function where value will range from 1 to 11, means value will be 1 to 10, last index minus 1, and step size, suppose we give step size of 2, so it will be 1 3 5 7 9. Click on the cell, run the cell. You have created frozen set option FRO. Click on the cell, run the cell, and you have created frozen set of F1. You can print the value of frozen set F1. You will see that it contains element 1 to 9 with a step size of 2, 1 3 5 7 9, and last index is not included, therefore we have not taken 11. So if you want to see the function available inside the frozen set object, we will write dir f1. Apart from the function which allow modification, rest of the method will be available inside f1, like copy, difference, intersection, is disjoint, is superset, is subset, symmetric difference, union. You don't have any function which allows modification like add. Suppose we run add function, it will throw an error. F1 dot add, and we pass a value 40. Attribute error. Frozen set object have no attribute add. Frozen set object can be used as member of another set, or they can be used as keys. For example, if you are creating a set S1, you say that set does not contain a set inside them because it contains only immutable element. As frozen set is an immutable element, then you can create set S1 with F1. So we pass F1 to S1, and we pass another element 10, and we pass another element Python. Now you can see S1 is created. It allows F1 to be a part of it. Suppose F1 was not a frozen set, it was a normal set, then this line would have given an error. Escape A. We create a when we modify f1 is equal to 10, 20, 30. So at a new memory location, new object f1 is created, which is a set. Now we create s1 with this f1, which is a set. It is not a frozen set, so s1 creation will give an error. Click on the cell, run the cell. You see, it gives the error because it does not allow immutable element as a part of the set. Suppose the set was created like this, f1 is equal to frozen set, then this cell would not have been giving an error. When you run this frozen set function, suppose we create f2 is equal to and frozen set, and here add the parameter. You can pass a single parameter, should be a iterable. So string is a iterable. We pass a string to it, it will run successfully. It will create a frozen set and store the object, store the elements in the object name f2. We check type of f2, type f2. We see that it is a frozen set, and we print the elements of f2 shift enter. Okay, it is unordered, but it is a frozen set. We can use frozen set as a key of a dictionary because it is immutable. For example, we are creating dictionary D1 which is having key value pairs. So first frozen set f1 has a key value as 10, Second frozen set as F2 as a key and value as 20. This is allowed. This will create a dictionary D1 which keys are frozen sets. We check the type of D1. Type D1, it is a dictionary, and we see the elements of D1, content of D1 enter. You see frozen set 1 is a key and value is 10, frozen set 2 is the key and value is 20. That's it regarding this video. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.